Today, come along with me to test the ST-THINKOR AI fabric inspection system. We've built in a special tension control design here, so it's extra gentle on knitted fabrics. Check this out. It uses industrial HD linear cameras to perform a high-speed, full-width scan in real time. It's incredibly sharp, catching defects as tiny as 0.1 millimeters. Plus, the detection accuracy is well over 90%. It automatically logs the location, type, and data for every single flaw. We're finally moving past guessing by eye to detecting by data. ST-THINKOR AI is making quality more stable and production way more efficient.